have known that a game of ping pong would be a huge factor to ending a prolonged war. After all, wasn't it a game of ping pong, famously known as ping pong diplomacy, that opened up China to America during the Cold War? Because we live in an interconnected society, a melting pot America, understanding different aspects of different cultures, such as ping pong with China, will help us better understand each other. Today, I will inform you about a sport commonly played in China and Taiwan, ping pong. I will first begin talking about the history of ping pong. Then I will talk about its characteristics, and then finally, ping pong as a cultural function. Ping pong has a long history with international affairs. It was first played by the British military in South Africa and India as a form of leisure and pastime. During the 1880s, when ping pong was first created, they paddled golf balls instead of the light celluloid balls that we use today. It wasn't until the Parker's brothers started to manufacture ping pong kits all over the world that the golf ball were changed to the light celluloid balls of today. Eventually, ping pong spread to other countries thanks to the Parker's brothers, such as Japan, China, and Korea. It has proliferated the Chinese culture because, according to an article by CNN Access on April 2013, it was cheap and easy for the peasants to play. Nowadays, in China, ping pong is the most common form of exercise. The name ping pong was coined due to the sound that it made when it was hit near and when it was hit afar. It was originally called table tennis by the British. Ping pong has other names such as gossamer, flim flam, and table tennis. This all depends on where you are and which country you are in. Now that you have a glimmer into the history of ping pong, I'll now discuss the characteristics of ping pong. Besides the necessity to play a game of ping pong, like the equipments, ping pong can be played in different ways. Ping pong consists of a ball, a table, and a racket. The standard of a ping pong ball is that to have a radius of 40 millimeters and weighing 2.7 grams. The table should be 9 feet long, 5 feet wide, and 30-inch high with the masonite coating on top of the table. The racket should be completely wooden with rubbers on both sides. Ping pong can also be played in different ways. It can be played in teams of 2 versus 2, or it can be played in singles, where it's 1 versus 1. There are a lot of terminology associated with the game of ping pong. When it comes to how to hold the ping pong, terms to hold the racket such as penhold or shake hand are used. Other terms for gameplay includes let, where a ball does not receive a point, and service and return, the start of a game, service, and return, the returning of a ball. Now that you understand some of the characteristics of ping pong, I will now talk about ping pong as a cultural function. Ping pong has a lot of cultural function as it transcends just beyond the Chinese culture. During the Cold War, it was ping pong that eventually opened up China to America, allowing Nixon for a visit. On April 6, 1971, an American table tennis team was invited to play in China at the prestigious 31st world-famous Table Tennis Championship. With China being a communist nation and America being a democratic and capitalist one, this event eventually became known as ping pong diplomacy, which ended with Nixon allowing Nixon for a visit to China. Ping pong also has international ties as it is a sport in the Olympics. Ping pong has been in the Olympics since 1988. Ping pong has at least 4 events such as women's singles, women doubles, men's singles, and men doubles. So today I have informed you about the wondrous sport game of ping pong. You are now educated in the history of ping pong, the characteristics of ping pong, and ping pong as a cultural function. So before you ignore the importance of ping pong, the cultural artifact, remember, it is what opened up China to America, allowing for a lot of the cheap products that you buy that are made in China. Ping pong is what ended a war, a Cold War with China, and ping pong promotes world peace as nations come together to compete in the ping pong tournament in the Olympics. Therefore, as you can see, ping pong is a cultural artifact of vital importance.